Hi and welcome to Element Z3. Thank you for liking and subscribing. It's really immense joy to see our community growing. Do continue to shower your love. Today we are going to deal with writing decimals. In regards to same, to understand the basics, I'll be posting the link below to understand the blocks they are representing of numbers and how these coins or these representation of the numbers is going to depict what. So the question says, write each number shown as decimal. When we are talking about decimal, here we have the wholes, we have 0.1. It's very important to look at the value of these zeros. That is how you'll be able to determine. Then I have 0.01 and finally 0.001. To begin with, since I have the wholes here, what I'm going to do is I will count and write the number accordingly. So I have ones and two. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, I will write my 2 here. Now let's count 0.1, which is just 1 that I have. So I will write 1. Now 0.01, that is 1, 2, and 3. How many I have? 3. Now last one is my 0.001. That's my thousands. So which is just 1. That is how I get my answer as 2.131. Or other way to simply put it up is you can categorize this as ones. The one with 0.1 is tens. The 0.01 is a category of hundreds. Okay. And finally, this is in the category of thousands. Or you could even make a key for yourself where I have my ones, tens will be 0.1, hundreds will be 0.01, and thousands will be 0.001. Okay, so even if the key helps, you can use any of the formula that goes best for you. So let's count for the B1, 1, 2. Now, if you see here for the second one, there is no 0.1. So what we do is I will just put a 0 here. Since this stage does not exist, okay, that's the reason I will put 0. But there is a 100 stage definitely which is existing here. Therefore, I will count them 1 and 2. Then I have my thousands 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that is how I write my 4 as my answer. Now again, we will categorize for the next question. I have my ones. We have 0.1 here. Okay, this time it's there in this question. And finally, then I have my 4 coins for hundreds. This time we don't have thousands. Okay, therefore I'll write my answer as 1. Now 0.1 is there. Okay, as the key flows 1, 2, 3. I will write 3. Then I have my next, which is my hundreds, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1.34 is my answer. If there are no thousands mentioned, we don't need to write any 0 or anything as such. And the answer will be just the way it is. There is no value for thousands, we will not mention 1,000. Okay. Let's do the last one. Again, I have the 1 wholes. So I will write the 1 wholes. Then I have my 0.1, that is my tens position, very much existing, absolutely. Therefore, these are 2, right? 1 and 2. Let's go for my hundreds position. Do I have any 100 position? So I don't have any 100 position. Therefore, what I will do is I will just put a 0 like we did here. Okay, similarly, I'll just put a 0. Why am I putting 0 this time? Because I have my thousands position following. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, my answer is 1.206. So key is the main game. If you know the key and the flow, how the whole positions go, you can accordingly make your sections to make it more easier and understand the flow of which position is there or which position does not exist. Accordingly, there were 2 scenarios where the positions didn't exist, but it had the following value for short there. That is how we will determine things. Thank you for liking our videos. I'm really grateful for the community growing. Do keep showering. See you in another video.